Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF in 2020-25, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is. This is a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund backed by BlackRock. It lets you gain exposure to Bitcoin through a regulated investment without holding crypto directly. Step 2. Make sure you have a brokerage account. You can't buy this ETF on Coinbase. You'll need a stock trading platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, or Webull, where stock ETFs are available. Step 3. Search for the ETF ticker. As of 2025, the official BlackRock Bitcoin ETF may be listed under a ticker like IBIT. Search for it in your brokerage app. Make sure it's the right one from BlackRock. Step 4. Fund your brokerage account. Transfer funds from your bank or linked payment method into the brokerage account before placing your order. Step 5. Place your order. Choose how many shares of the ETF you want to buy. You can place a market order to buy immediately or a limit order to set your own price. Step 6. Confirm and monitor your investment. After purchase, the ETF will appear in your portfolio. You can track its performance just like a regular stock. Tip: while ETFs are safer than direct crypto trading, the price still follows Bitcoin, so it's wise to invest what you can afford to risk. And that's it. Now you know how to invest in the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching.